What's up guys, LOGICON here, back again with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a set of 4 ice molds from a company called SUMPRI. Let's get into it. Taking a look now at the box itself, you're going to see it does come with 4 of these 2.5 inch ice molds. So popping open the box now, you're going to see that it does come with 4. So here are the 2 that I haven't used. I set those over there, and it does also come with a set of 4 bonus steel cocktail picks. For all of us under 21, you can use those in a couple of years. But that's all that comes in the box, so pretty simple there. So you got these for whatever adult drinks you're going to be having. Taking a look at the mold itself, we're going to see that it does have the brand SUMPRI on there. And you're going to see that the bottom is a lot thicker than the top. This is because it has to have that flat bottom there, that way it can sit in your freezer or whatever and not have any issues. When I filled these up, I didn't actually have any problems. When you fill up the top here with the water, it didn't leak out of the sides or anything, so it was good that they put the tall lip on the bottom rather than on the top, otherwise it probably would have leaked. But here's my experience with these balls. I filled up one before this. I didn't let it freeze long enough, and so it cracked. But one of these, I don't remember exactly which one, is the first one and technically the third one. So this is the first time I've actually busted them open, taking a look at what they'll actually look like frozen. So you can see here, this one is actually cracked on the inside, and it's got a little bit of a lip here from maybe where there was too much water that tried to freeze and expand. So I do want to take a look at that. It's actually a very nice sphere. It's not super clear, as you can see. It's pretty foggy, but I didn't boil the water or anything. There weren't any instructions on how to get the clear molds like they show on the pictures. So maybe you could look that up and see what the best way to do that is, but it does hold the ice structure very well. This one's extremely cold actually, so I'm gonna put that down. But it did well on that one, and this is one I actually got water out of the Keurig. I know that's not boiling, but it actually does a good job at getting it pretty warm, so I did want to see how well this one looked. And it doesn't look any different than the other one, other than that it's not actually cracked. It does have a bigger lip on the side here. Probably though, once you dump that into a glass of water, that would dissolve before the rest of this, and you'd have a very nice ice ball to go in your adult drinks or water if you are, once again, under 21. So let me just show you guys what that looks like. I do have a glass of water here. It looks to be a little bit full, so let me just show you guys what that looks like in this glass of water, which is just room temperature. So I dropped the ball in there. It is going to fill it up quite a lot, but this will give you a good demonstration of what it would look like in your adult beverages. So you can see once you actually get the ball in there, it doesn't clear up the inside at all, but it does make the outside nice and shiny. As you can see there, this is one of them that actually had the crack on it. You'll start to notice that this line on the outside, this little fin you might call it, will start to go away before the rest of it. But personally, I don't think that you're ever going to get a perfect one, so there aren't really any pros or cons to these molds. They do a good job, and as long as you fill them up to their appropriate amount, which is not quite full, when it expands it should do quite well. For under 20 bucks, sitting right at 18, I think that this is probably a good buy if you drink a lot of cold adult drinks. If you're like me and you're under 21 and you just drink your water, then probably you could stick away from this. But it is a novel way of making your drink look cool, and I think that it's probably worth it if you have the money. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date for more awesome content, and I'll stick to drinking my water. I don't always drink water, but when I do, I stay hydrated with these ice spheres. Stay spherical, my friend.